Hi there, thanks for joining me. A quick update on the Bug. We don't have that many videos on it at the minute, but the thing's so reliable. But I thought I'd give you a quick, check-in on the car and see what's been going on. It's just passed its MOT. Pretty much straight through. All I've had to do is replace the wiper blade. They're a little bit tricky on this. I have got a video showing how to change it, so if you are ever needing your wiper blade changed, check out the video. I'll pop links in the description. Yeah, the car is going really well. It's still looking nice. It's nice and clean still. It's done 5,000 miles in the last year. So we're still using it daily, every day. It's just doing short journeys, but it's just flown through its MOT again. What a car. It is unbelievable. Coming up soon though, I have a little special one coming. You'll enjoy this. This is one for everybody because I will be giving away a Toto stereo that I've fitted. I've got the full video on it. This is the CarPlay. It'll do Apple CarPlay, it'll do your Samsung, Android and everything else. It is amazing. It's a brilliant stereo, but I'm getting a new one. This is the S6 and I'm going to be fitting the S8 model to it. So this S6 model will be up for grabs and I've got to run a little competition and give it away. So yeah, keep watching the channel. There will be a video to follow and the stereo will be up for grabs. Like I say, what more have I got to say? The car is brilliant. It's great. It's still going well. Stereo coming out and a new one being fitted soon. As it's just passed its MOT, I'll just give it a little treat. New oil filter and oil as well. So yes, we're looking after it. It's not getting neglected. And if you want to do an oil filter change on your car, I have got a video showing you how to do it on one of the Citybugs. I'll pop links in the description for that one as well. Round the back of the car, the spoiler we fitted is still on. It's not fell off. It's stuck solid. So I did have somebody asking, is it still stuck on? Have you had to put any additional screws in? No, the Tiger seal that we put on there is absolutely secure. It ain't going anywhere. So yeah, you could eat your dinner off that. A fresh 12-month ticket on it once again. What a fantastic car. Watch this space for the stereo upgrade and this one will be in the giveaway. I'll just ask for a little like and subscribe to the channel or something like that, and then I'll just put you all in a draw and draw it out for the winner. But yeah, that video will be coming shortly. Drop me some comments. Also, always love your comments. Like and subscribe, and I shall see you in another video not too far away.